Relemo Mofokeng is not a winger. He plays as number 10. And namhlanje he plays as number 10 and he's scored 3 goals. Uyavumelana naye ucoach uGobroso City.
Mina i-wing ngiyaziyo. I-wing number 10, number 10 i-wing. Attacking player can play anyway. I don't understand ukuthi lo angeka khona. Ngiyazi that we're not taught that way. No mina ngikhuluma ngama-attacking ngafundiswa. Thank you Shane mangabe ngizosisa. A winger can be number 10. Kumele ukwazi cabanga, kumele uyi-star play, kumele wazi ibhola modlala i-wing. Not to say you're gonna go and cross, run behind the defense, that's all. You need to think kumele ukwazi combine. Sometimes kuzomele ubaleke opponent yakho ungene phakathi. So attacking player can play wing, can play as number 10. But ukuphendula lento ngishela yona manje ka Hugo Bros. Hugo Bros ubona ingcondo yomfana. I mean, abo number 10 most I'm a player international. We bring players international Serino. We bring Abo Ribeiro, Abo number 10. Because of these guys, they develop players in Europe at the early age, but keep a comfort zone.
When you left it.
Yeah, 4 years, 6 years. And it's in a player with Abo Salis, Abo Spadalis, Abo number 10, but mature solid. Umfana development, teachers jump, and no mangabam developer, Bantabakrent. We understand mature second about 27, 28, Sessim Shailis and number 10. Now, Kona Mambugele. Yes, on the ball is good, but he can play off the ball. We understand. We are raise the sand where it matters most. As it we play these European. So, the mfana mangabudlala number 10 kuleya age acabanganga. Number 10 umdlali kuleya age. Like ngale ingqonda nayo. You understand? Like ingqonda nayo. That's why ngisho ngithi yazi khona into iphiwe lo mfana, it's a gift. It's a gift. I-gift ethusa abantu abaningi shini. I-gift izokumanga singadebate ilanga lonke. But i-gift omunye umuntu uNkulunkulu unokwenza umusa la ufuna ukwenza umusa khona ngaphandle kwe-effort. And then obviously by nature that diamond uthola ukuthi iba yenye into ethusayo. So the boy is gifted. Also he was developed properly. I mele ngibe clarify. So number 10 umfana umshaya kule age yakuyo.
Yeah.
I mean the boy is young. Ubheka thinking yakhe. Shabantu abadala. Omunye umuntu lapha ubonile mfana lo mabalibuyiswa police. Because Shangatoro ran head that drop a diving head and zintaining as Bambin the ball was composed. And then one receiver was suicide to Leni or passing it. Nkoriko number 1, Benyoba carried away, and then a shy to plus goalkeepers Bambin with Senkori. The ball is distinguishing Safunukor. I mean, this boy was a different today, he scored 3 goals. In Toana, they look at the HL, I'm not comparing. But in Toana, he never get carried away. Una this thing, the way and on the Polanga, Kuna this thing with Tamakula matters most. We came and we are born every time, really never keep a pesco pola. He dribbled to pass, he charge one chance to dribble Montgui. We understand, run, a one, because drop or 2, opposition, Mshambatali one touch, and 2 players they are off. So really, the one on the Polanga corner. We found the game with okay, Amakula important. And la, I'm the one that can.